create more awareness. Now that I'm here in Parliament, I would request you, the members of Parliament, to raise our voices more and more, but also to help us call for sanctions, for punitive measures against General Museveni. You have the Global Magnitsky Law, which General Museveni fits in so perfectly, and not just him, but many other human rights violators. There are travel bans and travel sanctions that can be slapped on them. We strongly believe that if these measures are evoked, it's going to save our lives, because the people violating human rights with reckless abandon, they do it because they don't expect any sanction or any repercussion. But when they see the sanctions beginning to bite, they will step back, and this will be life-saving. So, sanctions. Please call for sanctions against General Museveni, travel bans, and call for disassociation with this regime. It is a taint on your good image when a renowned dictator is seen standing shoulder to shoulder with a leader from a respected democracy like this. Of course, we request for friendship and bringing us close, because we are the government.